Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to open the service menu on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's activate the phone's dialer. Let's use the keypad, and here you have to input the following secret code, the *# 372733 #*. As you can see, the following service menu tab pops up, and here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. So you can test the version of the device right here. Let me go back, choose pass or fail. You can, for example, test the vibrator, tap start. Let's choose pass or fail. For example, you may test the speaker. Choose pass or fail. You may test the receiver. And other stuff as well. So basically you may use this service menu, this hardware test mode, to make sure that your device is performing fine. For example, here you can also accomplish the USB test, the multi-touch test, the G sensor, the OTG field test, the SIM card test, Wi-Fi test, GPS and Bluetooth test, and a lot of more. So that's it. You may also go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.